If you're trying to grow on YouTube but feel lost, overwhelmed, or stuck guessing what works, this video is for you. Most creators fail not because of bad content, but because they follow random advice with no system. Today, I'm reviewing a product that claims to fix that using YouTube's own AI tools. It's called YouTube AI Growth Blueprint. Let's see if it actually delivers or if it's just another AI buzzword. This is not a magic button. This is not a done-for-you channel. But if you want a clear, beginner-friendly system to plan content, optimize videos, and grow steadily using YouTube AI, this is solid value for the price, especially for beginners and small creators. YouTube AI Growth Blueprint is a step-by-step video training. It teaches you how to use YouTube's built-in AI insights and tools to plan content smarter, improve visibility, increase engagement, and build a repeatable growth system. This is designed for new YouTubers, affiliate marketers, content creators, small business owners, especially if you struggle with things like not knowing what to post, not understanding YouTube SEO, feeling overwhelmed by tools, or wasting time on tactics that do not work. No tech skills required. Everything is explained simply. Once you log in, you get access to a clean video dashboard. The training is broken into clear sections. First, it explains how YouTube's recommendation system works, what signals actually matter, and how AI supports smarter decisions. Next, it walks you through content planning, using AI insights to match audience intent. No guessing, no random uploads. Then it covers optimization, titles, descriptions, consistency, and how to improve performance over time using data, not feelings. Each lesson is short, focused, and easy to follow. You watch, you apply, you move forward. At the time of this review, the front-end price is low and beginner-friendly. There may be optional upgrades that offer deeper strategies, extra templates, or advanced workflows. These are optional. The core training works on its own. If you're brand new, the main version is enough to get started. If you grab YouTube AI Growth Blueprint through the link below, you also get a powerful bonus stock. These bonuses are designed to help you get traffic, build lists, and monetize faster. Here are some of the key bonuses included. WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows for reviews and videos. Keyword Research Ninja. Find profitable keywords from Google and YouTube. Article Analyzer. Optimize content for better search rankings. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to pages and emails to boost conversions. Power List Pro. Build email lists using pop-ups and exit intent. Slide Up Bar plugin. Grow subscribers without annoying visitors. Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A step-by-step affiliate marketing video course. Soci Ultima. Drive free social traffic from multiple platforms. WP Video Focus. Sticky video widgets that increase watch time. Email List Secrets Training. Learn how to build and monetize email lists properly. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the price, and you get them free when you use the link below. Remember, I'll mention these bonuses again before we finish. So, is YouTube AI Growth Blueprint worth it? If you want hype or instant fame, this is not for you. But if you want a clear system, beginner-friendly training, smarter use of YouTube AI, and steady organic growth, then yes, this is a smart pick. The bonuses are time-limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. Click the link below now to lock in the full training and the complete bonus stock before the deadline hits. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, like this video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and drop a comment if you have questions. To get access, click the link below this video, purchase through that link, your bonuses will be delivered automatically. Do not wait too long. Scarcity is real. Click the link below now and get started.